Brand Minds presents Global Thinkers about AI in the business world. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of AI?
Many people are worried about AI, but I would say opportunity. The price to provide goods and services will come down with AI, which is great for producers and customers. Lower input costs are good. For instance, AI can already read X-rays better than many technicians. That means that more patients can afford X-rays. So there's actually more demand now for X-ray technicians than before AI. Every industrial revolution in history has taken some jobs, but made many more. And AI will be closer to that than many fear. When the price of coding goes down, more people will write programs. Now that's bad news for coders, but it's good news for creators, makers, marketers, and business people. And there's more of them. We will just need a new tax system or a reimagining of services like health, education, childcare, transportation, so the profits of AI don't go just to the investors, but also to the larger society. Democracy will demand the cost of living goes down for average people.
What is the biggest change that AI is bringing to your work in the present?
As a comedian, a speaker, and a conference host, I think my job is probably safe from AI. Being funny, engaging, exciting, and charismatic is a good job for a human. Plus, how many times have you ever been to an event and there was trouble with the slide deck? I mean, if we can't make a clicker work all the time, how are we going to manage and guarantee an AI host? Now, these days, I'll use AI to write specific jokes, like, why is this conference really called Brand Minds? Because it stands for brilliant, respected authorities, not deserved, muttering indulgent nonsense disguised as science, brand minds. But for that one medium quality joke, I went back and forth with ChatGPT many times, fine-tuning it to make it funnier. Now the process is obviously going to get faster, but you will always need a person to vouch for the joke, and that's me. Self-driving cars will be easier to make than self-driving comedians.
What is the biggest change you see AI bringing to your industry in the next 10 years?
Well, of course, in 10 years, AI won't be amazing anymore. It'll be like electricity or the internet today, just baked into everything. What's amazing will be the new businesses, platforms, and applications that use AI. The things we can't even imagine yet. The things that will be actually revolutionary. Think back to past game changers like Google Maps, Excel, YouTube, Facebook, even Grand Theft Auto. It's going to be like those, but even more impressive. And of course, we'll get personalized AI adult content. I mean, other people will get personalized AI adult content. Yes, other people. Don't worry, businesses will still use employees to sell and do things. You can combine AI and cameras and microphones to analyze a mouse infestation in a building. But at the end of the day, you still need someone to come to your building and get rid of those mice.
How do you see AI empowering human potential rather than replacing it in your industry?
Well, I say we're going to have to decide how we are going to treat our AIs. Now, today, if you treat people or animals badly, well, that makes you a bad person. But what about in the future? How should you treat your AI assistant or your AI girlfriend? Do you have to be nice to her? In the future, some people will fall in love with their AIs and some people will be very mean to them. And I'm not sure what's worse. With smarter and smarter AI, what will people do in the future? Now, AI can do a lot, but it cannot inspire the team, close the deal, sign the contract, vouch for the results, or guarantee a customer's satisfaction. For that, you need people. Now, there will be AIs for different tasks, will have different personalities and different politics, and people will want an AI to match their style and worldview. People will work for these platforms to reach customers. Plus, more people will have a side hustle. There will be millions of new small businesses that sell their creativity and products on Etsy and similar platforms. On the entertainment side, groups of people will get together to make movies, content and shows, and you will pay or subscribe to that content. Now, making images and music will become easier, but someone has to come up with the concepts and the stories that feel fresh and current. You will still need brands and stars to vouch for the content and say that it's worth your time and money.
Brand Minds, uniting the business world.